Today, I'd like to talk about something that's become my favorite spot in the house. This generic contemporary rocking chair. I've been using it for a while now, and I've got some thoughts to share, especially for anyone looking for a new relaxation station. First off, let's talk about those initial impressions. When this chair arrived, I was genuinely excited because it visually checked all the boxes. It had everything in the box. The fabric, it was pretty nice and lovely. It's soft to touch and has this really understated elegance that fits perfectly with my living room decor. You can immediately feel the quality. The solid wood and the metal frame feels incredibly robust, which gives me a lot of confidence, especially knowing it has a 450 pounds capacity. It really felt like everything I'd been searching for in terms of aesthetics and perceived durability. Now, a quick heads up about the assembly. There was no instruction manual included in the box, which was a bit of a curveball. So I basically had to channel my inner detective and figure out how to put it all together just by looking at the picture on the product page. Thankfully, it was not overtly complex and the design is fairly intuitive once you get going. It definitely took a little longer than it would have, and it would have been nicer had it got the instruction manual with some clear instructions and stuff. But honestly, none of that matters now. Once it was built, that minor frustration was just completely disappeared, because where this chair truly shines is in its comfort. And I'm not really talking about an hour or two, I'm talking about extended periods. Seriously, I've spent entire afternoons reading or just unwinding on this. And it doesn't hurt my back at all. It feels so incredibly nice and genuinely comfortable. The cushioning and all the foam that they've used, it does provide fantastic support without being either too squishy or too firm. It hits the sweet spot. But it's not just the cushioning. The curved rocking base is equally impressive. The motion is so smooth and gentle, never jarring or harsh. That's a huge plus, especially for elderly family members who might want a gentle, soothing rock without any sudden movements. It's incredibly calming. And on the flip side, it's also become a huge hit with the kids. They've discovered it's quite a lot of fun for them too. So it's a chair that genuinely caters to all ages in our household. From quiet reading to playful rocking, it does it all. So just to sum it up, if you're in the market for a contemporary rocking chair that's built to last, looks great, and offers unparalleled comfort for everyone, from grandparents to toddlers, I can honestly say this generic contemporary rocking chair has exceeded my expectations. Despite that small assembly hurdle, it's truly a fantastic addition to my home. Therefore, I highly recommend checking it out. There's also a sale going on at the moment, so it's currently priced at £179. I bought it at £199, but then we've got so comfortable with the chair that I don't mind. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions or queries, please reach out. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to MyNextBest. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care. Cheers. Bye.